Welcome back to the Camp Nou construction site. Today, we're diving deeper into how this iconic stadium continues to transform, with steady progress visible across multiple structural and exterior areas. Every angle now tells a story of scale, precision, and momentum. In the tribune sections, surfaces that were once raw and unfinished now appear far more refined. Structural treatments and finishing layers are giving these areas a solid and permanent feel. These changes may look subtle at first glance, but they signal an important transition toward the stadium's final architectural identity. Close by, large metallic components are positioned and ready for installation. Each piece has a specific role, and their placement shows that upcoming phases are already being prepared. Even before installation, these elements hint at the complexity and engineering behind this rebuild. Across the site, activity remains constant. Lifting platforms operate at different heights, while teams work simultaneously on multiple levels. Much of the progress happens inside the structure. As we approach the diamond area, the visual impact increases. Additional glass panels are now installed, and the facade is beginning to take on a more striking presence. This section is clearly shaping up to be one of the stadium's most distinctive features once fully completed. If you appreciate seeing real construction progress without filters or speculation, supporting the channel by liking the video helps this content reach more people who care about the future of Camp Nou. Along the lateral sides and corner zones, preparation work continues methodically. Materials are carefully aligned, cranes handle heavy components with precision, and platforms remain active where future installations will take place. Every step here is about accuracy and long-term stability. Higher above, attention stays focused on the roof structure. Work connected to the compression ring keeps advancing, with several support pillars already secured and others clearly in preparation. These elements are critical, as they will eventually carry the load of the entire roof system. Each addition brings the stadium closer to operational readiness. New deliveries continue to arrive on site, with large components unloaded and staged nearby. While some teams work high above, others prepare the next installations at ground level, showing how multiple phases move forward at the same time. This steady progress highlights how the Camp Nou rebuild advances step by step, piece by piece. If you want to stay connected with every meaningful update, subscribing ensures you don't miss the real transformation happening here. Thanks for watching and supporting MegaVerse Builds. We'll continue tracking the construction closely and bringing you clear, on-site updates as this legendary stadium takes shape.